Hello pumpkin people, welcome back to my channel. So today we are Halloween home decor hunting at Homegoods and TJ Maxx, and I found a lot of designer dupes that I want to point out to you guys. There's not a ton yet, but a lot of what I've seen has been a designer dupe, starting first with this ghost in a cloche, which looks very similar to the Pottery Barn one that is $29. This one's only $14. And then this bat, I see this in the background of the Pottery Barn ads. It's not available yet or sold out, one or the other, but the bat is only $9.99 here at TJ Maxx. They have a lot of cute little ghost stuff, so we'll take a peek at some of these because I know that the ghost is super popular year after year. I'm not sure why, but this iridescent ghost is my favorite. I think because I'm kind of into the chrome nails right now, and it kind of reminds me of that nail polish. I don't know, but I also thought that this trio of ghosts was really cute, especially because it lights up and it's only $14.99. I love these snake candle holders. The quality is impeccable on these and the look is super sophisticated. I feel like if you do year-round dark or goth decor, you could get away with this year-round, but it's obviously a great piece for decorating for Halloween as well. And this next item is not an exact dupe, but this reminded me instantly of Pottery Barn, the way that the skeletons look and how they're carrying these little cauldrons. There is a skeleton serving bowl at Pottery Barn that's quite similar, so this is definitely the look for less. We see these copper cauldrons every single year, but this year they've come out with this ghost shape that I haven't seen before, and I just love these. They're just so nostalgic and traditional, but very elegant and sophisticated in my opinion, so those are a favorite every single year. We are gonna see more decor, but I had to take a peek at the nail aisle because as you can see, I'm missing a nail, and I am a press-on nail girly. I love press-on nails. I wear them most of the year, and I'll go and get my nails actually done at a salon like for the fall season as a treat. But they have a lot of Halloween nail items here right now, which I was not expecting. So these are nail stickers. My favorite brand of press-on nails, by the way, is Nail Reformation. They have a few sets here that I wanted to show you guys and put you on to these because they are the best quality press-on nails. And I found them first here at TJ Maxx, and now I will buy them full price from the Nail Reformation website. I actually got a Halloween set from them that I'll insert a picture of here so you can see. But of course, if you don't want to spend like a full $20 on a set of nails, you can find this brand here as well as a ton of other cute options. I can't get over these. I'm so excited for Halloween nails. I'm so mad at myself. I really wanted that burgundy set in the center with the spider webs. It is so pretty, but I forgot to grab it. I did grab a few sets of nails though that I just posted a picture of on my Instagram story. So make sure you're following me there because you get sneak peeks of basically everything there first. I'll put the handle in the description box down below and across the screen here in case you are interested. So let's move back over to the decor section. I found this giant skeleton planter. So fun, $30. This kind of gives me Day of the Dead vibes because she had the flowers on her head. And then here's another designer dupe, these pumpkin faces, I guess. These are similar to the Grandin Road expressive face pumpkins that are at least $90. So these are way cheaper here at Homegoods. Not my favorite, but if you love it, I love that for you. And I'm glad that there's something here at Homegoods for you. And then they have a ton of ceramic jack-o'-lanterns. A lot of these light up and are stacked. They're really nice. I love jack-o'-lanterns. That's definitely my thing for Halloween. I know a lot of people do a lot of ghost stuff or a lot of bat stuff. For me, it's got to be a jack-o'-lantern. How cute is this ghost trio? It actually lights up and it's $15. Something about it is giving me 90s Halloween energy and I absolutely love it. I think this is the first time that I'm seeing a white haunted village house, but I know a lot of people do the very neutral Halloween, so this may be something that you want to keep your eye out for. It does light up and it's $16.99, and there is some detail in the back here. I always flip these around to see what the back looks like because you want to make sure that there's detail in case you're setting it somewhere, you know, where somebody could look at the back of the house. So they have a few little witches. These are kind of like a peachy pink color, but this next item is definitely giving designer vibes. It is this wicker witch hat. We have seen wicker witch hats for sale on the higher end websites before. This one's $16.99, and there is another version in black that we're gonna see right here. This reminds me very much of the McGee & Co. witch hats that are not on their website yet, but have been available the past couple years. And I can't remember how much these were, but definitely more than $16.99. So as you can see, there are a few different options for that whitewashed wood kind of a look. I don't think that they're going for beachy, but this kind of reminds me of a beachy look. So if you live on a coastline, I feel like that would be fun for you. Now, this is another high-end dupe. This reminds me of the woven spiders from Pottery Barn that are very pricey. They're $89. They do light up and they are larger than this, but you could create the look for less with just some cheap fairy lights and a few of those spiders. I did find a couple blankets. I guess I missed out on a lot of them though. When I went up to the register, somebody or one of the cashiers was telling me that they sold a ton of Halloween blankets. So this is just what's left at my store, and here's a little sneak peek of the hubs and a few things that came home with us. And that's it for now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you are subscribed because there are a lot of Halloween and fall videos to come, and I will catch you in a future video. Bye now.